Are you still using multiple separate tools to manage your business? With Youbbe, you centralize everything in a single intelligent platform developed for companies that want to grow efficiently. More than a platform, an opportunity for partnership. You can become a mini franchisee and earn with us. This means you can list products, engage in resale, and receive recurring commissions as long as your customers remain active. And the most important thing, you don't need to indicate people to participate. You choose to be a customer, a partner, or both. The partner program is structured to value real results, with recurring compensation based on active consumption. For entrepreneurs seeking control, professionals wanting new income, and those who love technology and digital solutions. Imagine scaling your operations, automating processes, and consistently and productively increasing your sales. You are your next step. Talk to me, and I will introduce you to this great opportunity. See you later.